Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I will share with you one of my latest, like it's not the latest, but you got me, purchase I've made on Vestiaire Collective. I have it here. I think you can already see through the dust bag. It's a Chanel bag, and yes, let me show you guys what I got, and then we can have a little chat around it. So the new beauty in my collection is a vintage Chanel camera bag. Oh my god, I need to put some stuff inside. Ouch. So, yeah. I think this is my first Chanel camera bag. It's such a classic, timeless design, but I didn't have one in my collection. I remember I had like 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago, a camera bag. It was, kilted. It was a dupe of Chanel. It didn't have, Chanel anything on it, but it was a dupe. And I remember I wore this bag so much. I really love the design. You can wear crossbody. You have, the zip on top of it. It's very, very. It's a very practical bag, and I'm happy I could find this one. So the bag is, it's a nice brown color. You have the, this pom-pom tassel thing, and you have this detail. You have the little Chanel. When we open it, inside it's a burgundy color, burgundy leather. Behind you have a big zip pockets, and in the front you have a slip pockets. I still have the sticker inside, and it started with 3, so I will put here the date. I think it's 96, 97, not sure about it. In the back there is nothing. I think it's because we have a huge pockets in the front. If you know me and you know my collection, you know how much I love this big CC turn lock. So here we open, and yes, when I opened the bag, I saw that the bag has had this color. It's a more deep brown, and I think with the ears, it became this nice chocolate brown. And here you have a really nice pocket where you can put your phone, etc. To be honest, when I opened it and I saw, I was like, oh my god. And then I was like, the bag, it's the quality is amazing, because the bag is completely, it has this patina, the color faded, everywhere, in the same way. There is like no spots and etc. So yeah, for me it's it means the leather is it's a very nice, it has a very good quality. Then you have the chain, of course, gold chain, and you have this leather thing, which is great because it protects your shoulder, when the bag is too heavy. This is a very nice thing, because I know sometimes when I have my Chanel bags, it becomes so heavy, it cuts my shoulder. It's very annoying. And that's why I think it's nice to have this little thing. I got it on Vestiaire Collective like a month ago, and I paid around $1,300 for it. I think it's a very nice price, because the bag is quite, quite big. If I compare to my burgundy jumbo, let's like this. They have, you know, they are pretty similar in, let me see the size. Yeah, they are pretty similar, and yeah, I think they are nice. And this one will be, you know, will complete my jumbo maxi family. You guys know I love this design. So yes, I wanted, you know, to share a little unboxing with you, very quick, very fast, and let me know what you think about it. I like it. I can't wait to wear this bag for autumn, winter, with big, like big coats, etc. Not sure this is the kind of bag I will wear during summer, but I'm not going, you know, to say anything I could regret later. So let me know, guys, what you think about this one, and je vous donne rendez-vous. I see you in my next video. Bisous bisous, bye.